Alright, in today's video, we're going to look at the properties of a matrix. So, number one property, we have commutative. Commutative property. Commutative property, that's addition. Now, how does commutative property have to do with a matrix operation? Let's see it. So, commutative property is simply just addition. That is, I can say A plus B is the same thing as B plus A. It's as easy as that. A plus B is same thing as B plus A. Then number two, we have associative property. Associative property is the addition. Now, associative property, since I'm saying A plus into B plus C, A positive into B plus C is the same thing as A plus B in bracket of C. It's the same thing. Alright, then number three, we have distributive. Property. Distributive property, we have it as A into B plus C is equals to, if you expand this, A times B, we have AB. A times this, we have AC. That means you are distributing it. Alright. Then number four, we have associative property, but this time around multiplication. Associative property, that's the multiplication aspect. Associative property, that's the multiplication aspect. We have, let's say we have A into BC. A into BC is the same thing as AB into C. If you multiply A times this, that's ABC, is the same thing as factorizing C out of the whole of this. It's still the same thing. And the last one, we have non-commutative property, that's the multiplication. Non-commutative property, that's multiplication. Non-commutative property, that's the multiplication. Alright, so if you have A times B, that's A times B, is not equals to B times A. So if I have AB is not equals to BA, that's non-commutative property. That means in terms of the multiplication. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.